only 21% of the products we tested contained the product listed on the label.
All right, well, that's a little scary. How do you regulate that? What's legal? What should be?
With any regulation, your starting point should be, what is the problem to which this regulation is the solution?
Despite setbacks due to COVID-19, the FDA is out making inspections and issuing 43 observations. A warning letter posted this week for a prescription thyroid medication led to a recall because of a lack of written policies and a lack of adequate quality control unit. The organization was also unaware of complaints about the drug potency. Another manufacturer involved in a COVID-19 antibody trial received a warning letter due to what was cited as a major failure of quality assurance. In this notice, the FDA cited counts of inadequate control of computer systems. They were cited for improperly deleting data on its manufacture process and failed to review quality audits. Another recent warning letter was issued to an organization with Emergency Use Authorization for N95 respirator decontamination. They were cited for unreported adverse events. These citations serve as a reminder that quality processes remain a priority, even and perhaps especially during a global pandemic. You can find more information in the references in our comments section, and please be sure to follow our LinkedIn page and subscribe to this channel to get the most up-to-date information from Pathwise.